Gila. Gokil.
This car is made by Malaysians in Malaysia. It's designed, engineered, and produced in Malaysia by Malaysians.
Keren banget,
That's what
weh.
you should be proud of. So you're sitting in a Malaysian car. This is nothing else. It's not a rebadged car. It's not a car designed by somebody else.
Ya Allah,
This is
keren banget.
100% a Malaysian car.
All the Malaysian workers to get all this done.
Oh, pekerja Malaysia semuanya.
Made in Malaysia,
Nice.
guys. Made in Malaysia. Okay?
Yeah, my mind is absolutely blown at what's possible.
Assalamualaikum, Elsa di sini. Hai guys, hai semua, halo tetangga. Gimana kabar teman-teman semua? Semoga sehat selalu, semoga bahagia selalu, dan semoga hari teman-teman semua selalu good day. Guys, Masya Allah banget ini mah. Aku sampai speechless, bener-bener speechless banget. Ini mungkin karena aku awam banget tentang otomotif, apalagi otomotif Malaysia. Tapi ini ada video yang buat aku tercengang. Gak nyangka, gila banget sih. Ternyata Malaysia itu bukan hanya menciptakan sebuah mahakarya yang bernama Proton, tapi juga ada mobil yang paling mahal di dunia yang diciptakan mahakarya hasil Malaysia yang bernama Bufori. Ini bacanya Bufori, Bufori, itulah pokoknya. Kereta buatan ketiga nih guys katanya. Kereta paling mahal di dunia. Oh my god. Wah, ini aku penasaran banget, ingin mengetahui lebih dalam nih tentang kereta paling mahal di dunia buatan Malaysia. Oke, nanti kita lihat video sama-sama seperti apa ya guys. Tapi sebelum dimulai video reactionnya, seperti biasa aku mau ngajakin teman-teman semua dulu untuk subscribe channel ini dan aktifkan lonceng notifikasinya supaya tidak ketinggalan updatean terbaru dari channel ini. Dan bagi teman-teman yang mau request, bisa banget DM di Instagram aku di @elsa_widianti_putri. Yaudah, tanpa berlama-lama, tanpa membuang masa, jumlah kita mulai video reactionnya. Are you ready? Let's go.
Now this is entry-level sound. This is not the high end.
Gila, ini pertama kali aku lihat Gila. Ini gila banget.
Very, very cold.
It's cold, very cold.
Malaysia gila banget, asli gila. Hanazai Kuan Kuan. Kun Kuan.
汉娜学姐，我是 Mazlin. So now we are at Bufori Manufacturer. Wow, I can't believe that the Bufori actually is the car Malaysia manufacturer. So today we
Gila,
got
sumpah
interview
aku
founder of
bener-bener
Bufori
nggak nyangka
car.
banget.
So let's go.
Go.
Gila. Gokil.
Alright, hi guys. Today we are at Bufori Manufacturer. With me, Mr. Gary Hori.
Yes, hi, nice to meet you.
Pleasure is mine. How are you?
Founder, manager,
So,
director.
how long you have been in Malaysia?
Not very long. 30 years.
Oh, 30 years, not very long, yeah. So maybe you can speak a little Malay?
Tak boleh lah.
Tak boleh.
Boleh. Oh my god.
Ni hao ma. I won't say a lot.
It's very good now, Ni hao ma, very good.
You know, we were making cars in Australia for a long time. We decided to explore the opportunities of Southeast Asia. And one of those markets was Malaysia. And the most interesting part of all of that was we had the Prime Minister's support, we had the Argon support, and the Sultans. And when they all made the announcement they wanted this to be Malaysian and they give you the support and the encouragement, we thought, what more do you want from a
Khawatir ya
country
pada waktu itu.
than what Malaysia can offer? So that's what brought us to Malaysia. We've been here ever since.
How many staff that already here working?
About 100 people. We have just about 100 people here. It's not a huge facility. We've got about 50, 60,000 square feet. Most of our staff have been with the company now for more than 25 or 30 years. In fact, some of our staff went to Australia for training back in the early 1990s, and until today they are still working for the company. So what makes a Bufori so special is the amount of labor that goes into it. So we're talking about 9,000 hours to make a Bufori.
Wow.
Other cars take 400 hours, 300 hours for the most luxurious cars. A normal everyday car can take 18 hours. These cars take 9,000 hours to make. So there's a lot more hours, a lot more workmanship that goes into a car, and more value in the workmanship than in the raw materials. Raw materials make up a very small part of the car.
So what is the most expensive
Bufori mau dong
car?
satu mobilnya.
good question, but very difficult question to answer. And we can do one of the unique selling points of Bufori is the level of customization. So we can make a car bulletproof. We can make a car with a coffee machine. We can make a Chinese tea set, which this one he has. And we can put humidors. We can do a shisha. You know, some people like to smoke a shisha when they drive.
Yeah, you're right.
The most expensive cars we can sell around 5 million to 5.5 million.
Oh my god, 5,5
So we do a lot of crazy stuff.
See. So
Wow.
while we're having
Gila
more
sih.
questions, shall we like have a bit tour?
Sure, do you want to have a look around?
Yeah, that was a great idea. Let's go.
Fabric, the same fabric you use for your clothing, except it's very, very,
This
very,
is for
very expensive.
cushion.
No, this is the
Bahan
car
ini
body.
ya, bahan
Car
body.
body.
The body of the car is made
The
from
body of the car.
They use this.
Yeah.
God.
Oh, and then it up comes like this.
comes out like this. So it's very, very strong. It's stronger than steel, but it has its weakness. So that is the strongest man-made fiber on the planet. And when I made the first car, it was
Wow.
just meant to be one car. It was never meant to be a business. So I was supposed to only make one car, and that was in. But every time I finished that car, somebody would buy it. Then I make another one, somebody would buy it. I make another one. 35 years later, I'm still making cars. So it's challenging. It's not an easy industry. It looks easy, but it's for me, it's a fun business to be in. Every day I'm living a dream. Nothing I do every day is the same. So every day it's a different thing, and we make so much of a car. We don't assemble. So every day we're making parts. We make this car different to that car. You know, this customer's requirement is different to that customer's requirement. This customer's timeline is different to that timeline.
Mewah
So every
banget,
day is
weh.
a challenge, and we take this in
Allahumma
our stride,
sholli ala
and
Muhammad wa ala
that's why we
sayyidina
have so
Muhammad.
much fun doing
Ini
that.
masih
Alright guys, so this is the moment
Banyak yang
that
pakai nggak sih di
we
Malaysia?
want to see what Mr. Jerry has really produced. So, Shorik, let's go!
This particular one is a 6.4
cantik banget ya
litre,
Allah. Allahumma sholli ala
Very
Muhammad wa ala
powerful
sayyidina
car.
Muhammad. Ih, Masya
about
Allah.
500 horsepower. So it's really fast.
Cantik banget weh.
Let's go. Really quite
Astaga,
special
ini
over
buat
here.
buatan negara
Some of the
kalian
things
loh
that
weh.
we have here,
Buatan Malaysia loh.
is, for example, I'll just do yours. So the camera can see.
Wah,
And then you have your phone charging. Just put your phone there and the phone will charge by itself. It will
oh
charge.
bisa ngecas juga. Luar biasa.
It vibrates.
This one's got a Chinese tea set.
Chinese tea set, guys.
And this is a $4,000 ancient Chinese tea set. And
Wow.
this teapot comes with four cups.
Don't tell me you made this too.
No, this is from China. It's purple clay. It's a very, very expensive 18th century. Very, very old. When I press that button, it will
Wah,
make boiling water.
ada
Then
dispenser
you have a
juga.
fridge. The car has only been on for less than 2 or 3 minutes.
Ada
That's it.
kulkas. Aduh ya Allah, ada lemari es.
Very, very cold.
It's cold.
Ya Allah.
Can feel something
Luar biasa.
What is it? Oh,
Oh,
Is that
something massage me.
Oh, ada massage.
Oh, we have this one like massage chair. Oh my,
Oh my
god.
it's very
Massage me now.
This is entry level sound. This is not the high end.
Wow. Wih. Speakernya. Speakernya keren juga, weh.
We don't make so. In fact, the car that I drive is the only low spec car that we've ever made. So no Bufori Geneva is a low spec car except my own. Mine is a test car. It's not a show car. So I only use mine for testing. But every single car we produce has got most of the features that we produce. You may not have all of them, like this one doesn't have Starry Night, but you've got the Chinese tea set. Someone else might have a coffee machine. Someone else might just have the tables and the massage and the cooling system. You can make the seat very, very cold. This car is made by Malaysians in Malaysia. It's designed, engineered, and produced in Malaysia by Malaysians.
Keren banget,
That's what
weh.
you should be proud of. So you're sitting in a Malaysian car. This is nothing else. It's not a rebadged car. It's not a car designed by somebody else.
Ya Allah,
This is
keren banget.
100% a Malaysian car. That's what you should be proud of.
Yang
I
dibuat
heard
di
it's quite
Malaysia.
cool that you use all the Malaysian workers to get all this done. You know?
Oh, pekerja Malaysia semuanya.
Thank you very much for
Mr.
this
Jerry.
tour, and that's all for today. So,
Yeah.
like, if you want to know more about, or maybe you want to customize your own Bufari,
Yeah.
yes, you can come here.
Come
and
here.
also you can just go to the website of Bufari itself. Okay.
Hey guys, so if you think of the name Bufori, you think that the car manufacturer is from Europe,
Bufori, yeah.
maybe from Germany, from Switzerland or something like that, especially when they have car models like Geneva or La Jolla. But you know
Geneva, La
that
Jolla.
I didn't know until very recently when I met Bobby that they are actually a Malaysian car manufacturer and they make some of the finest handcrafted vehicles. So let's take a look at this tour of House of Bufori. We're going to see how they do it because I feel that they're more than just that. All right. Thank you for showing us the tour. Thank you very much.
So this is the storyboard. This is really where it all started. And that's the very, very first Bufori that I actually made.
Oh, ini yang
I
pertamanya.
started in 1986.
Bufori
I was
pertama.
only a kid.
Oh wow.
When the car was completed, it was built in
1986.
1987. And we kept it going until 1988. Very short lifespan for this car. So we evolved from that to a Mark 1. From the Mark 1 to a V6i, from the
gorgeous.
Gila
V6i to
sih.
Mark 2. They all look the same, but they're completely different.
Ah.
Okay, so the identity was, we maintained or respected the identity of the car all the way through, right up until
Banyak
the
juga
La Jolla.
jenisnya weh, ya
So we
Allah.
went to V6i, Mark 2, Bambino, La Jolla. Then we came in with the CS, and that's why the new logo. It's part of a new demographic. And part of Felix will share that story with you later.
Boleh
And
nggak
then
sih
the
Bafri
Geneva,
minta
which is
satu?
designed to meet all the current new regulations for
Bufori,
pedestrian friendliness
Bufori.
and all of that sort of thing.
Bufori.
And this is the new CS that's going into production
Banget weh.
now.
Di sini ada nggak yang punya mobil
Is that why you
ini?
don't have the
Biasanya uncle-uncle nih.
I think that's so cool.
Boleh komen di bawah.
The
Tipe apa yang
unfortunate part,
kalian
the most
punya?
beautiful car of this car is actually the headlights and the
Yeah.
grill and the bumpers.
It is.
But they're the things that a lady's skirt can get caught on if you get hit by.
Kalau orang nggak baca judul, nggak ada penjelasannya juga, pasti orang bakal ngira ini buatan Eropa gitu. Tapi nggak, ini buatan orang Asia, Malaysia weh.
Wow.
Since 1986, made in Malaysia tuh baca ya.
Carbon fiber
Right.
and Kevlar. So that's carbon fiber. Oh, that's Kevlar.
Kevlar.
And that's the strongest man-made fiber on planet Earth. And that's
Yang terkuat di
And
bumi
carbon
ini
fiber
guys.
is what they use typically in, the hypercar industry, supercars,
Supercars.
Formula One, motorsports. The problem with carbon fiber is the moment you bend it, it breaks. And it takes a lot of effort to bend, but the moment you do bend carbon fiber, it does break. Incredible strength, incredible weight, strength to weight ratio. But Kevlar, on the other hand, is the ultimate. That's the strongest man-made fiber on planet Earth. And the beauty of this, it's bullet resistant. You can't cut it, you
Tahan
can't grind it,
peluru.
you can't do anything with it. That's why nobody uses it. It's very,
Wow.
very difficult to work with.
Memang di ini ya
And the other thing
disiapkan
is,
dengan baik banget mobil
when
ini
you've got two
guys.
different materials in the body of a car, you've got expansion and contraction. So we've got resin, we've got carbon, we've got Kevlar, and they all expand and contract at different rates. If you look at a carbon fiber car, you always see, if you look at them in the sunlight, you see them at an angle, and you can see the pattern of the fabric coming through the surface. And that's what you don't want, right? The million-dollar question is, how do you eliminate all of those, the bleed through, the fabric coming through the surface? And that's what we do, and that's what we've been doing for many, many years. If you look at the paint finish on a Bufori, it's spectacular. And how do we turn this material into a body of a car? That's another question. But what makes it special as well is, how do you bend it around intricate corners and shapes? So there's a simple corner, and if you try to bend any fabric, even a piece of this around that corner, you are going to get a pleat.
Sure.
And if you do a
Oh,
pleat like
lipatannya
that,
rapi.
that's a weak point, that's vulnerable. If you have an accident, basically what happens is that. But these fabrics allow us to massage them around the shape. And there are no pleats, there's no joins, there's no overlapping, and the weave is still nice and tight. And that's really what makes it also super special. And look at the
Right,
consistency
tengok tu,
and thickness.
Ini bisa
The
dipegang nggak sih
thickness
uncle?
is really a telltale. Okay, and this is really clever engineering. And what makes it special is the ratio of carbon fiber and Kevlar to resin. Everybody thinks that the more resin you put, the stronger it is. The harder it is, the stronger it is, but it's not. The less resin you put, the stronger it is. So we get our strength from the material, not from the resin.
Right.
Okay? And all of that, there's no overlaps. It's all no overlapping. Very complicated shape. and it's all made in one piece of fabric. What we have here is a chassis for a Geneva and a Coupe. They're the same, only difference is the wheelbase. So this particular one is now a prototype for the Geneva Coupe. And what I'm showing you is
Ini
it looks
kerangkanya
heavy,
dia.
but it's really, really light. And unlike a normal car that has the chassis in a normal car provides strength for the body. But in a Bufori, our body provides strength for the chassis. And this chassis gets bonded to the body. It doesn't get bolted to the body.
Oh,
It's strictly bonding.
so it's almost like a
It's
semi-uni.
unified, a
Yeah.
unified structure.
Okay.
And it looks heavy, but it's very, very light, very thin.
Wow.
And I'm not that strong.
Ringan
but,
ya?
you know. And look at the welding technique. Just have a close up here. It's all tungsten carbide
Ih,
welding.
ngelasan
And look at all
ngelasnya
this
rapi juga.
everywhere. Every single
moly.
weld is tungsten. Okay, everywhere. Wherever you look, it's tungsten weld. And aluminium, when you have an accident, you can't repair them.
Yep.
Stainless steel is very, very thin.
Yeah.
It's 1.2
Ini
millimeter
baja tahan
thickness.
karat.
It's repairable. You can cut it, you can shut it, you can do whatever you like with it. But you can't do that. And this is not part of a chassis. This is only part of a jig.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay.
So our chassis stops
Yeah, it
there.
ends there, right? Yeah. But the welding is nice. Like,
Welding
very.
too has different names, right?
It does.
This is TIG welding.
This is
Is it?
tungsten carbide welding. Yeah.
Wah,
Okay, so this is the Mark III, and it's called the La Jolla.
siapa yang punya mobil ini di
it's,
Malaysia
Spanish
boleh
to the
komen
J
ya
is
weh.
actually a
Gila
H.
sih, keren
But
banget buatan Malaysia
I'm
ini, ya
just-
Allah.
I'm just in awe of how beautiful the paint is.
Iya,
I mean,
catnya
I
juga,
detailed
wih,
some cars.
semuanya detail
I'm an
banget.
amateur detailer, but I've never seen a paint so beautiful like this. Now the
Yeah.
camera won't do it justice, but you can already see how the lights are almost straight. Very minimal, if not no orange tone. And this car is not even polished yet. Okay.
Belum
but it's
dipolish
also
ini, weh.
the depth of the paint, the depth of the gloss.
Baru siap
it
dicat nih,
shows,
belum dipoles.
how well they choose
Udah
not only
menggila
the
banget. Ini kualitasnya
paints,
memang nggak
but
main-main
also
ya.
the metallic piece of his pearl, whatever they use, the blend, and also the technique, the way they spray it. Because you can't just whack on some ceramic or some metallic or pearl and that's it. There's a technique to it, and you can see it's absolutely immaculate. This is artisanal level work. Alright? I've never seen a paint so beautiful, and this is with some sole marks and stuff because it's not been polished. Can you imagine what it looks like
Iya,
if it's
karena belum
completely
dipoles.
polished up and then with either wax or coating or whatever? It's gonna look absolutely
Belum
beautiful,
di-coating.
right? And they use this, and by the
Belum
way,
di-coating aja
they
udah cantik
do
banget
many
nih.
layers of lacquer. That's how they achieve almost no orange film. They spray lacquer, they sand it down, they spray, they sand it down. This is absolutely, oh my god.
Terima kasihnya nih. Mesinnya.
Mamma mia.
Lezatos.
Guys, so this is something
Gila,
of
mewah
remarkable
banget.
quality craftsmanship from Bufori. A lot of the carbon fibers, I've seen some kits from Mansory and stuff. They always have a little bit of, you know, the
Memang
feather coming
kualitasnya
out. And
nggak
the tricky
main-main.
part is we can't cut it. It's super hard. You can't cut Kevlar and carbon. So how they do it, I don't know how they do it, but it looks seamless. Every body panel is perfect. So Jerry
Ya
shared
Allah,
with us
pengen
that every
banget.
time they go to a motor show, people will
Pengen
come
banget
around
naik
looking for fibers sticking out.
Big radiuses. You never find sharp edges like this.
Yeah,
in
and it's
composite.
even. It's consistent and
And
even.
very fine line, very, very fine radiuses.
And when I started to meet Bobby, he told me that all these cars are Kevlar and carbon. I couldn't believe it because I thought it was metal.
Yeah,
It looks just like metal.
Look at that. Just touch it. It's almost 90 degree, almost no radius at all.
Wow.
How do you do that in composite? That's the $1 million question everybody asks.
Wow. It's absolutely stunning. The engineering, just the craftsmanship level.
That's craftsmanship, you're right there.
Oh
Keren
god.
banget ya.
Alright.
Orang-orang kerja di
See how the door
Bufori
feels.
ini
Alex
guys.
says it's really cool.
Wih,
Wow.
tempat buka pintunya aja kayak
Oh look
gitu
at
weh.
it. It's the. You see, there's no like you know how normal cars they go back, right?
It has that, but you don't feel it.
Wih, suara tutupnya.
Made in Malaysia,
Nice.
guys. Made in Malaysia, okay?
Yeah.
Ya, denger tuh made in Malaysia weh.
Wow.
Oh, ada alat-alat
Every piece has
tukangnya.
Bufori in it.
But these are not just any tools. They're all
Biasa
snap-on.
mobil-mobil mewah tuh kan ada payungnya. Ini enggak, ini alat-alat pertukangan guys dikasih.
Okay,
It's $3,000 for the tools.
Langsung
check out the
free
interior, guys.
mereknya.
It's absolutely brilliant. Oh,
Mewah banget ini gila
got
sih
these dials over
desainnya.
here. the all gauge, clock, and then gold. I want this for my Mini. I want gold.
Aku sampai bener-bener
things
speechless
around my
banget,
Mini.
weh.
Jeez. And look at the stitching.
Jahitannya juga rapi, sangat-sangat rapi banget.
Nicely done. And it's a curved surface, yeah? So how do you get leather to go like that? And without any like curvy lines and like breaking lines. Look, it's all perfect.
Abangnya sampai kayak gitu, weh, saking sempurnanya mobil ciptaan Malaysia ini.
Tire sensors, and they even have a generator inside there so that it keeps charging itself
Ada
to
sensor.
provide, to keep it running. Yeah.
We don't have a valve. Our valve is concealed. No exposed valve.
Oh,
So you can inflate the tires by walking up to it.
so which valve is it? Yeah. Ah, look at that. Oh,
On our center cap.
so they always stay
Upright.
upright.
Yeah.
They stay upright
Ah.
because the weight is there.
Okay, I know this is a big question. Did you guys first started doing this?
Yes, we did.
Oh wow! And then everyone
We
followed
get
suit.
credit for it because we don't make noise.
Ah,
And how these are made is remarkable. How many components go into that? It's all counterweights inside, it's bearings. And then this thing gets threaded. Later we're going to put a thread on that and we're going to screw them together.
oh wow!
Okay, and then
Can
you
you
can
just show us how
dismount.
So
it's
it's no adhesive.
self-centers? I'll show you.
No adhesive. Just
That's the counterweight. So this part is heavier than that. The Bufori logo gets attached to this side, and this thing goes on this side. And that goes through there with the center bearing. That's a wheel bearing in there basically. This thing will go there. And then the cap. We put a thread on that. We thread this and we screw these together.
Can you show us how it centers on?
And then the way it works,
And it works like this.
like this. I rotate.
No matter how your wheel spins,
so they're the first to do
the
this.
logo stands upright.
Okay. And these are the things that will never, like adhesive will crack, it will fall
And
off.
it's serviceable for life. You never replace it. As long as you don't break it,
Yeah.
you can always service it.
Yeah.
Change the wheel bearing in there, clean the lens, do what you want to do, change the seal.
This is engineering prowess. This is not
Exactly right.
you know, putting in with sealants and stuff.
No, that's right.
How do you get this thing to fit just nice in there?
Precision.
The precision. This is engineering prowess.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
And it's
This proper.
Bener-bener
All these are built
proper
in
banget.
house. It's
all
not.
built in house. That whole muffler
Yeah.
is made in house and it's baffled.
Knalpot buatan
There's no
sendiri.
fiberglass, no stainless steel wool. It just
Tidak
goes
ada
baffles inside.
bajet,
Wow.
tahan
That'll
karat.
last the life of the car.
Oh,
You'll
Wow.
never
tahan
change
karat
that
semua
for the
ini
life
mah
of the car.
Wow.
desainnya.
All these are all built in house.
All made in house.
Makanya mahal guys, paling mahal di dunia ini mah.
Work up and down, how they go around in corners and just so beautiful.
Look at that. It's so well arranged. Alright, this is
Check out this. From here, stand here, now look at that.
Wah gila, detailnya rapi banget nih.
Not Petronas. Not Magnum.
even the underneath of the car is good looking.
Iya, di bawah mobilnya terlihat bagus. Iya gila.
They move around. What's that?
So this is a Geneva,
Dilakukan dengan sempurna.
Right.
Oh ini Geneva.
and it has the. If you look at a car like this
Oh,
on the
gila
road,
sih.
you know it's only one company that does it. There's no other company that looks like that.
Wah gila.
Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous.
Unbelievable.
Hardened stainless steel, can't get into it.
I can't get enough of this.
Siapa yang punya ini?
It's so beautiful.
Geneva ini guys. Gila ini cantik banget ya Allah.
Look at the veneer finish, and everything is customizable, right? You can
Jadi kita
can
bisa
do,
custom
the
juga
open
sih
pore
guys.
if you want, right?
Yeah, exactly. You can choose any wood veneer finish. You can choose the
Oh,
pattern
bisa
of these inserts,
pilih
so the door
finishingnya
insert and
mau
the seat
kayak
insert,
mana.
They're usually in sync,
Yeah.
they're the same.
Yeah.
So you can choose a pattern. It can be
So here's the table.
a honeycomb, diamond stitch. It can be like a sort of hexagonal pattern. Anything really, you know. So
Detailnya
And I
cantik
said
banget
earlier,
ya, rapi banget.
you can choose the amount of stitch per.
you can also choose the amount of
Jadi suka-suka kamu mau kayak mana bisa di custom
The distance
di
between each
Bufori ini guys.
and also the diameter of each hole. So you can choose that level of detail.
And you do it all in house.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Oh my god.
you know,
How serious you
amazing.
take
Yeah,
this.
how
That's
how,
why we need you to spread the word.
yes, how
Wah,
amazing it
tengok
is.
suaranya
We
aja
sure will.
kedap banget.
So do you guys like driving slow or do you like performance?
Oh, both, yeah.
Yeah.
I know Alex doesn't
Wow.
drive slow. Whoa, this car is not a slouch.
Jeez, this is.
Not a slouch.
See, that's another surprise I just got.
It doesn't look like it goes fast, but it's not a slouch. It's fast. But you can feel already the quality of the chassis. There's something really remarkable about the chassis is the way it feels. Because of the monocoque and because of how it. Oh my god.
Wow. Luar
As I was
biasa.
saying, guys, because
Ini di
of,
Malaysia ya
of
guys,
the
udah fix
stiffness
ini
of
di
the monocoque
Malaysia
and how it's
buatnya,
bonded
bukan
together
di
with
luar
the
negara.
chassis, it feels like a race car. Like the way the chassis moves is like a race car, or shall I say, the way the chassis doesn't move feels like a race car. Yeah. But then it's perplexing because me and Alex were very comfortably seated behind here, and we're
just mind blown, really.
mind blown.
The last 1 hour has just been expletives of like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Really? God, you know.
Yeah.
Now turn the signal light on. Now I can see my far right. I can see all around me.
Oh my god.
Wah,
Oh Jesus.
gila.
Body roll, man.
Oh, thank you Felix, thank you Jerry.
Tapi pabrik dia nggak terlalu yang besar banget gitu loh guys. Tapi mereka bisa menciptakan mobil paling mahal di dunia. Luar biasa.
Look at the shape. It looks gorgeous, elegant, but you wouldn't think it drives and rides like a race car. That's how it was comfortable. It was really comfortable. And according to Jerry, I have not felt how the car would feel like on a highway. Remarkable engineering. Look at that. Oh. My mind is absolutely blown at what's possible. It didn't feel like it was this wheelbase. Not at all.
Aku kehabisan kata-kata untuk mengomentari mobil ini. Selain sempurna, speechless. Luar biasa banget untuk Malaysia guys. Bisa menciptakan mobil mewah. Ini luxury cars guys. Gila, ini kalau orang nggak baca deskripsinya, nggak baca apa tuh detail-detailnya, pasti akan mengira ini adalah mobil buatan Eropa. Tapi tidak, ini mobil buatan Malaysia. Berikan tepuk tangan yang paling luar biasa untuk Buffery Malaysia. Gila, keren banget, ya Allah. Malaysia bisa menciptakan mobil semahal ini, sekeren ini. Dan bagusnya adalah uncle-nya memperkerjakan itu orang-orang tempatan, orang-orang Malaysia. Gila, keren banget gak sih Malaysia weh. Aku gak tahu ya harganya berapa ya, karena masing-masing Buffery itu punya jenis-jenisnya juga, bukan hanya satu jenis saja tapi macam-macam jenisnya guys. Ada berapa tadi ya dilihatkan? Kurang lebih kayaknya ada 6-7 gitu tadi mobilnya. Apakah teman-teman yang ada di Malaysia ada yang baru tahu kalau mobil ini ciptaan atau buatan Malaysia, made in Malaysia? Di sini yang nonton ada yang menggunakan mobil Buffery, boleh komen aja di bawah. Ini mind blowing banget, setiap detailnya juga bagus banget. Bagian bawah mobil ini aja rapi, detail banget. Setiap inch-inchnya itu diperhatikan secara baik. Oke, untuk video kali ini cukup sekian. Bagi teman-teman yang suka sama video ini, jangan lupa untuk like, komen, dan subscribe. Dan kita ketemu di next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.